obviously not how we want to present ourselves, but nonetheless, as you're well aware, United, we fly perfectly good, safe airplanes, and our maintenance people are working on an issue. So right now, we'll properly call it a maintenance delay. We're waiting our air conditioning system, making sure that it's going to work. So we're working the issue, and we do appreciate your patience. It's just more time and the queen of the sky. That's how the best way to look at this is. So yes. Thanks for your patience. We're working an issue. We'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Hopefully they fix the Channel 9 problem too.
We have some questions about our Channel 9 and we're hoping to get that.
There you go.
That was one of the things they eliminated as they traveled back and finally stripped out in San Fran and delivered the next day to Victorville.
Oh.
So, oh my goodness, you're your own entertainment for sure.
They stripped out the Channel 9 system, she just said? Wow, that's crazy. So the intercom wasn't very loud. I don't know if you could hear, but the captain was explaining that there is a maintenance issue with the air conditioning system. So that is why we have been sitting here at the foot of the runway by the bay for about, what time is it now? 11:33. We departed at 11:01, taxied out here. So we've probably been sitting here for about 20-25 minutes at this point, but I'm in no hurry. I don't think most people on this flight are in a hurry. This is a flight to enjoy and savor, and we've got a beautiful view of planes coming in for landing here on the east-west parallel runways 10/28. So this is the menu for the flight. Premium cabin side, economy cabin side, very cool. We got our 747 safety card, celebrating the 747 in-flight entertainment, Wi-Fi dining guide. There's also gift bags at each seat. I'll go through those once we actually get in the air here, since they'll have some time to kill flying over the ocean for 5 hours.
Having said that, we're going to go get the plane taken care of. We're not going back to the terminal. We're just going to go over to our maintenance hangar. They're going to check it out real quick and we'll get underway. We do appreciate your attention.
Oh, we got a special trip to the maintenance hangar. I've never been there before. Yay! Another place to see and more time on the plane. So current time 11:41. So we've been sitting here about half an hour now, and we're gonna make a trip to the maintenance hangar so you can see aircraft coming in for landing over here. So someone said, or there was an announcement made that the Channel 9 system is no longer operable, that they're in the past week since the last international flight from Seoul, South Korea to San Francisco on October 29th, which I was aboard. They have been doing some pre-retirement things to the aircraft to prepare it for its trip to the scrapyard in Victorville, California. And apparently one of those things was disassembling the cockpit audio system feed into our seats. So that's a bummer for sure, as I would love to listen to all the air traffic control going on right now. $11:45 now, and we've started taxiing to the maintenance hangar for a check on a faulty air conditioning unit.
Absolutely, indeed. And you're on it. How about that? Yeah.
Wow, look at this jet coming in right on top of us here. Japan Airlines. Oh, so cool. I wouldn't mind if we just hung out here for a while between the two runways. Great plane spotting. So that Japan Airlines jet was landing on 28L, and we're sitting in the space between 28L and 28R. 28, the runway number being the runway heading 280 degrees. So these planes are landing to the west. This is the common operating direction for these parallel runways here, coming in over the bay and landing east to west. There's a small United Express regional jet landing. Not quite as exciting as having a wide body from Japan coming in right over your head.
Our passenger just asked if we're going to play the halfway to takeoff game today. So we asked the question in one of our cabins here, who can guess how much paint it took to paint a 747-400 gallons? And it was vibrant and bidding. But we had 6 H guests, and he was correct. Finally, after a while, 295 gallons. That would be our passenger. Just, congratulations. We'll make it fun for you.
295 gallons of paint to repaint a 747. So they're going to be doing some 747 trivia quizzes and such during the flight.
And paint. That changed it. Somebody saw in their workbook only 90 gallons, but together it was 295 gallons.
And we've got a Delta jet coming in on 28L.
Air conditioning problem we had. We've resolved that problem. Now we're truly waiting for the final paperwork. Should just be another 3 or 4 minutes, and we will be underway to Honolulu. So.
No, I want to see the hangar. Don't tease me like that. So we're not having to go to the hangar after all, apparently. But we've had a great time sitting here at the foot of the 2 parallel runways. You see now 2 jets coming in for almost simultaneous landing. Couldn't be a better place to be plane spotting right now. Okay, so got a United narrow body and each side of us here. That's an A319, that last second one. I didn't quite catch the first one. 738 or 739 possibly.
Inside that gift bag, there are lots of special things. After we take off, we'll be doing a full aircraft champagne toast, so look forward to that. Then we'll ask you to check your bag or you're halfway to a wide gate. At that time, our captain will give us coordinates. We'll read them off. We will collect them, and the big prize winner is in store for sure. After that, we plan on a full bar and liquor service.
Yay!
Yay! Okay.
Woo!
We're here. Thank you. We're excited. Followed by a full hot meal service. And don't you know, we have ice cream throughout the cabin with all kinds of toppings, 5 to 7 toppings. So this is going to be a fabulous trip for you. Stay tuned.
Captain just announced prior to that flight attendant's announcement that we should be getting onto the runway in 2 or 3 minutes once some of the arriving traffic lands here.